Welcome to the Halcyon Telemetry Overlay features. The instructions are going to be similar to the other ones that we've given. This one is going to be a little, hopefully, easier to manage. So the first thing that we'll do is download the Halcyon zip file. This, assuming, is assumes that you have Telemetry Overlay installed on your computer, and the link to get the Telemetry Overlay application is in the description also. So in the description is the link to download the Halcyon Telemetry Overlay zip file. So I'm going to download it. And so this will go into my downloads folder, and I'm going to actually stick it in my documents folder. So copy and move it to my documents folder. And I'm going to unzip it into my documents folder. Alright, once we've got that, the only thing that we need to do is unlock the file so we don't have Excel showing a warning every time. So right click and go to Properties and unlock it. Press OK. And so you can put this in the Office Templates folder, or you can simply just open it up. So we'll close this window, close the Documents folder, and another one, the Halcyon Telemetry Overlay folder. We go Format Halcyon, and over in the top right hand side is the Enhance. Click on Format Data, and this dialog allows us to choose the type of computer, type of dive we did, open or close circuit, what kind of video that we have, and the type of system or the type of measurements that we're used to diving. So if you want to change it from heads-up display, you can choose it to handset or blue handset. Yeah, you can do open or close circuit, or closed circuit sentinel, and then the video types, video resolutions 4K or HD. We'll do 4K, and we'll choose metric. And once you've chosen this, if you are always going to use this same setup, you can choose this set as default. So the next time you have another dive and you don't and you want to use the same dive setup, you click that, and then every time it comes up, it'll remain the same. So we choose a log file, and I've got a log file here from my download of Halcyon dive, and as it formats the data, it's putting the semicolon delimited file that Halcyon creates and puts it into the CSV format that Telemetry Overlay requires. It looks kind of janky as it's working, but I'm optimized for processing than visual effects. So now that it's done processing the data, we've got two files, the 53 data and the pattern. So I press OK, and Excel will close. We then can go to Telemetry Overlay, and we'll load the video, and the video was 4K, so I'll choose my 4K video. And there's no telemetry data embedded in that video, so we click on load telemetry data, and it created the 53 data. 53 is the dive number for this and then I go to patterns, click on load pattern, press load, and I have 53 pattern. And here we have our dive computer in metric, and I can simply go to the sync telemetry and move the slider around to where I want for me to export the video. Once we've got that done, I can click on export and choose the file and click on export, and I'm ready to display my video or publish my video to my friends. If you have any questions about this, let me know. In my about me, or about the channel, there's the email address. If there is issues that you're having with this or enhancements that you'd like to have made, let me know. Thank you very much.